Hello friends. So in last discussion, I explained the basic concepts related to area and perimeter. Now I am starting exercise 12.1. I hope you have watched that video and your concepts are clear. Now see, the sides of a rectangle are 250 millimeter and 1.5 meter. So students, one more thing should be in your mind. The sides are given in meter and millimeter. In meter and millimeter. When you are finding the area or perimeter or volume, anything. So first thing should be in your mind. All the dimensions should be into the same unit. If one is meter, other is decimeter. So you can't solve this like this. First you have to convert into the same unit. Same unit means you can convert into decimeter or you can convert into meter. I think you have understood what I am telling. If length is given in meter and breadth is given in centimeter, so you can't solve this one. Your solution will be wrong. So what you have to do? First you have to convert into the same unit. You can convert into meter or you can convert into centimeter. As you like, you can do this one. This is not necessary convert into centimeter. If you want to convert into meter, you can convert into meter. But you have to make the same unit. Now see in this question, exercise 12.1. First, the sides of a rectangle are 250 millimeter. 250 millimeter. And this will be 250 millimeter will be breadth and length is 1.5 meter. Length is 1.5 meter. So we have to find the perimeter. Now for this one, 1 meter has how many centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. How many meter? 100 centimeter. And 1 centimeter has 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. So now I will convert this meter into centimeter or centimeter into meter as you like. So 250 millimeter and this is 1.5 meter. Just I told to you 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter. So if I will multiply 1 meter to 1 meter means 1000 millimeter. In 1 meter, how many millimeter are there? 1000 millimeter. If you are converting meter into millimeter, then divide by 1000. If you are converting meter into millimeter, then multiply by thousands. For converting in more, we have to multiply, or for converting into less, we have to divide, because 1.5 meter is there. So if you want to convert into millimeter, so multiply by 1000. Or if you want to convert this millimeter into meter, so divide by 1000. I think you have understood what I am telling to you. So now see, in this one, options are given 450, 350, 250, 550. It means all will be in, I think, millimeter. Now I will convert this length into millimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Now 1.5 meter. Now see this concept, 1.5. So first I will remove this decimal. For decimal you will put 1 or after that count the digit. So 1.5 meter means 15 by 10 meter. 15 by 10 meter. Now I am converting into meter or centimeter. So I am converting into millimeter. So now multiply by 1000. So this will be, it means 1500 millimeter. 1500 millimeter. And this is 200 50 meters. So this will be not right. So I think this is converted into centimeter. So now I will check. Now not given in centimeter or in meter. Nothing is given. The sides of a rectangle are 250 millimeter and options are given direct only 450, 350, 250 and 550. So now convert into centimeter. So 250 means 250 divided by 10, so it will be 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. And 15 meter means 15 by 10 and then 15 by 10. 1 meter has 100 centimeter, so multiply by 100. So it will cancel, so it will be 150 centimeter. So now we have to find the parameter. So 2 into length plus breadth. So what is length? Length is 150 and breadth is 25. So 2 into 150 plus 25, it will be 175. So 175 multiplied by 2, 350. So right option is 350, but centimeter is not written. So there is little bit confusion. So there should be centimeter. Then you can find like this one. So first convert this measurement in the form of centimeter. Now once again I am repeating. 250 millimeter means 250 millimeter will be equal to divided by 10, it means 25 centimeter. Now breadth is 25 centimeter. Now 1.5 millimeter means 15 by 10 meter. Now I am converting into centimeter, so multiply by 10. So it will be 150 centimeter. Now we have to find the parameter. Formula for finding the parameter: 2 into length plus breadth. What is length? Now I converted the length and breadth in the same unit, in centimeter. So length is 150 and breadth is 25. So 175 multiplied by 2, so 350 centimeters. So this is the parameter of this rectangle in the form of centimeter. Centimeter is not mentioned, so I think there is mistake. So it should be mentioned there. Okay. Now otherwise students are confusing. They don't know what is this meter, centimeter or millimeter. Next. Okay, centimeter asked, sorry. This is already asked in centimeter. The parameter in centimeter is 350 centimeters. Sorry students. So this is asked. So we have to convert into centimeter. So this is 350 centimeter. Understood? Okay, very good. Now next. And second, I think you have understood because the square is given and I told you formula for finding the parameter of the square. Side of this square is 12 centimeter. 12, 12, 12. So add all the sides. So parameter of this square will be parameter of square. I told you formula parameter of a square. What will be parameter of a square? 4 multiplied by side. 4 multiplied by side. So side of this square is 12. So 4 multiplied by 12. So it will be 48 centimeter. Don't write here square because area is measured in square, centimeter, square, decimeter, square meter. For area we will put square. Otherwise you can write the, it means measurement in the form of centimeter, decimeter, meter or like this. For parameter, don't use square. Don't do this mistake. Understood? Okay. Now question number 3. Sorry, third part, not question number 3. A square field is 22 meter long. How much wire is required for fencing it? Very simple. So for this one also we have to find the parameter. A square field is there. 22 meter is the side of this square field. This also will be 22 meter. This also will be 22 meter. This also will be 22 meter. So length of the wire, it means total length of the boundary. So length of the wire, it means what you have to find. A square field is 22 meter long. How much wire is required for fencing? So required wire for fencing. Fencing means for covering its boundary. It means we have to cover it for fencing. So 22 multiplied by 4. It means 88 meters. 88 meter long wire should be cover its properly. Is it clear? Okay. Now find the perimeter of each of the following. This is a rectangle, so you have add all the sides. In first part, so this is a rectangle PQR. This is a triangle. The measurement of the sides 8.5 centimeter. 8.5 centimeter. PQ is 8.5 centimeter, and QR is 6.2 centimeter, and PR is 4.9 centimeter. So we have to find the perimeter of triangle. Add all the sides. So 8.5 centimeter, 6.2 and 4.9. Students are doing mistake when decimal form are there. So we have to write the decimal and down to decimal like this. Don't write this 8.5 will write and 6.2 will write there. So decimal should be in the same column. So now add them. 5 into 7, 7 and 9, 16. 1 carry. So 5 and 6, 11, 11 and 8, 19. So 19.6 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of a triangle. So in this exercise only these things are given. So I hope you have understood and you can try yourself. Only parameter is given. Now I am solving question number 5. Question number 5. The breadth of a rectangle park is 48 meter. If 3 km 72 meter long wire is required for fencing it, find the length of the park. Very good. So this is a rectangular park. Now see, the breadth of a rectangle park is 48 meter. This is 48 meter. You know opposite sides of a rectangles are equal, so this also will be 48 meter. Now I will write the name A, B, C, D, J, rectangular park. Now this also not given and this also not given. We have to find the length. So breadth of a rectangular park is given. Breadth of rectangular park. Rectangular park. What is 48 meter. 48 meter. Perimeter of rectangular park. Perimeter is given 3 km 72 meter. 3 km 72 meter. So students, in beginning I told to you, first we have to convert in the same unit into the same unit. So now see, 1 kilometer has how many meter? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer has 1000 meter. Now convert into meter. So 3 multiplied by 1000 plus 72. So it will be 3000 plus 72. So 3072 meter. 3072 meter. So this is breadth and this is parameter. Now what is formula? Formula for finding the parameter I told to you, 2 bracket length plus breadth. Now parameter is already given. This is equal to 3722. Now students, see this question, otherwise you will confuse and again you will ask sir this is not clear. So now try to understand. Parameter is given here, breadth is given. So what we have to find? We have to find length. So first convert this parameter in the form of meter. 3 kilometer 72 meter. So 1 kilometer has 1000 meter. Now 3 kilometer means 3000 meter plus 72 meter. So it will be 3072 meter. Now 2 length is required. We have to find. Breadth is 48. So I have written here, length was not there. Now is equal to 3072. Now L plus 48. Now 3072 divided by 2. So 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10, 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12. So 1536. So length will be equal to 1536 minus 48. Now 1536 subtract 48. So here will be 8, here will be 8, here will be 4, here will be 1. So 1488 meter. This also 1488. It means 1488 meter. So this is the length of the rectangular part. Have you understood? Okay. Now one more question I am taking, question number 6. Question number 6. The perimeter of a square double that of a rectangle. Double that of a rectangle. If the perimeter of the square is 125 meter and length and breadth of the rectangles are in the ratio 3:2. Find the breadth of the rectangle. Students, listen this thing what I am explaining. The perimeter of a square is double that of a rectangle. If the perimeter of the square is given 120 meter, it means the perimeter of the rectangle will be half, because perimeter of a square is double. So perimeter of a square is given. Perimeter of a square is 120 meter. 120 meter. Then perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 120 by 2, 60 meter. Perimeter of a rectangle is 60 meter. Now we know the perimeter of a rectangle is 60 meter and the length and breadth are given in the ratio 3:2. So now ratio of length to breadth is given 3:2. Is given 3:2. So I will assume let length is equal to 3x meter and breadth 2x meter. Now I assume length and breadth 2x and 2x meter. So now perimeter is 60 meter. Therefore, so 2 into length plus breadth will be equal to 60 meter. Now 2 into length is here 3x meter and breadth is 2x meter is equal to 60. 3x and 2x becomes 5x is equal to 60. 5 to the 10x is equal to 60. Now x will be 60 by 10, so x will be 6 meter. X will be 6 meter. So length will be 3 multiplied by 2, 6 meter. Sorry, 3 multiplied by 6, it means 18 meter. And breadth will be 2 multiplied by 6, 12 meter. 12 meter. Now length will be 18 and breadth will be 12. Now to find the parameter 18 and 12, 30. 30 multiplied by 2, it will be 60. So students, this was the solution of this last question. I hope you have understood. And if there is any doubt and any confusion, so please tell to me. Thank you. Thank you.